6 to the power 2 gives us 36. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. 12 divided by 6 gives us 2. 9 times 2, that gives us 18. And 36 divided by 18, that gives us 2. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operators present, but we also have exponent present here. So according to the rules, in the absence of parentheses, exponents have higher priority. So we need to solve this part first. 6 to the power 2, that leaves us with 36, and our expression simplifies to 36 divided by 9 over 6 times 12. Now this 9 over 6 is a fraction here. So to solve a fraction with division, what we need to do is we can use KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 36 as it is. Change means we change division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip the fraction 9 over 6 as 6 over 9. And then we have times 12 available from the original expression. Now let's simplify this. So again, we have two multiplication operators present here. So we need to work from left to right, which means we need to solve this multiplication first. So 36 times 6 over 9, and 9 and 36 are divisible by 9. So 9 divided by 9, that leaves us with 1 here, and 36 divided by 9, that leaves us with 4 here. So we have 4 times 6 times 12. Again, two multiplication operators, we go work from left to right. 4 times 6, that gives us 24, and 24 times 12 finally gives us 288, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.